The Webready Translator Languages section allows you to enable multi-language on the website, add your languages and their flags, as well as to allow the visitor language to be detected. Let's take a look at how it's done. To access the Webready Translator feature, open the Webready editor and scroll to the left pane and click on the Language Settings icon. Click on the Languages tab on the far right. Then click Enable Multi-Language on this website. Website Translator should be selected here. Then click on Add Language. Here you can add as many languages that are available to translate. Choose your language and one of the available flag options for that language. You will see a list of your language options displayed, with action options available. Here are a list of the options available for the language. First, edit language information. Here you will be able to change the language label and URL prefix. The URL prefix will be displayed in the browser to differentiate between the versions of the website. Next, change flag. Here you will be able to change the default flag for the language to a different available flag by choosing one from the drop-down box. And change main language. If you need to switch your main language, then this can easily be done here. Next is disable language. If you no longer like the website for a particular language to be displayed, you can use this option and disable the language. Delete language. Use this option to completely remove a language from your website. The additional languages will have the option to click and move them, so you can reorder your languages. Next, we have Detect Visitor Language. If you would like the language for your website viewer to be automatically detected, you can enable that option in this section. If enabled, this will detect visitor's preferred language and redirect visitor to the corresponding language. You can also use the reorder icons on the right of each method to change the priority for which language is detected. Once you have enabled multi-language on your website, you will see a drop-down of your languages in the editor. On your live website, the language option will be displayed in the footer. For some templates, such as Perl, you will also see the option listed in the navigation menu. There will also be options available in the Global Settings in a Languages tab to allow you to enable or disable if the language options are displayed and how they should be shown. The footer options in the Global Settings allows you to display the languages as a link or a menu. Here's the footer language option shown as links. Here's an example of footer language option shown as a menu. Whether your language options are displayed in the footer only or in the footer and the navigation menu, you will have the settings that can be adjusted. Simply click on the settings icon. You will be able to adjust the order of the languages that are displayed, whether to show the flag or not, or if to show the language label or the language code and prefix. First, your display order. Here you can choose to show the main language first, or show active language first, or even sort by alphabetical order. Language item flag, you can select either show flag or don't show flag. Next, the language item label. You can choose either show language name or show language code or prefix. If you or your website viewer chooses a language besides the main language, then the site will be displayed showing the translations that you added for the website. The website URL will include the language prefix that was set for each additional language. And that's it. Managing your language section in the Translator app is just one of the many exciting features